What's up everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at Katzkin's leather upholstery upgrade kits for the S550 Mustangs. These leather kits from Katzkin are perfect for those of you out there who are wanting to upgrade from the basic cloth interior in your S550 Mustang. Katzkin uses similar attaching points to that of the factory, which includes the Velcro attachments, the J-clips, and listing rods, which once installed will retain a factory-like fit and finish. The seat functions remain the same, which incorporate mat pockets, headrest hooks, and any trim pieces that attach to the seat. These leather upgrade kits are fully compatible with the factory side airbag system, but they're not compatible with factory heated or cooled seat options. Not only are they easier to clean and maintain, but they allow you to achieve a higher end interior look and feel without opting for a more expensive trim option from Ford. While we're on the topic of cleaning, be sure and follow Katzkin's recommended cleaning procedure so that you can enjoy these premium seats for a very long time. So if we take a closer look at the materials on the front and the rear of the seats, we'll find actual leather material on the seating surfaces, whereas a matching vinyl is used on the sides and backs of the front seats. The rear seats will have leather on the inserts only, with matching vinyl on the surrounding seating surfaces and sides. Current color combos include black, red, dark saddle brown, and ceramic white in coupe or convertible configurations. Now for those of you out there that have cloth Recaro seats, well, you can upgrade those to leather as well with Katzkin's Recaro style black leather kit. Katzkin includes all the covers to service every seat as well as matching door panel material if that's something that sparks your interest. The door panel material is a nice topper to your interior. These leather kits are designed to fit 2015 to 2020 V6 EcoBoost and GT Mustangs, equipped with factory-style standard seats or factory-style Recaro seats. As always, guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more great content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things S550 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.